In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include tax in your product prices quickly and easily using WooCommerce. If you're managing an online store, understanding how to set up tax-inclusive pricing can save your customers confusion and streamline their shopping experience. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center for managing your website, from customizing themes to managing products and orders. Once you're there, look for the WooCommerce option in the left-hand menu. That's where we'll make the necessary changes to include tax in your product prices. Click on the WooCommerce tab to open up a drop-down menu. Here you'll see several options like orders, coupons, reports, and settings. We're interested in the settings option today, so go ahead and click on that. The settings section is essential for controlling various aspects of your WooCommerce store, from payment gateways to shipping. Once you're inside the WooCommerce settings, direct your attention to the top menu. Here you'll find tabs like General, Products, Shipping, and more. Click on the Tax tab, which will take you to a wide array of tax settings. If you don't see the tax option, you might need to enable it under the General settings first. After selecting the Tax tab, you'll notice a section labeled Prices Entered with Tax. This is where you decide whether the product prices you enter already include tax. Select the option that says, Yes, I will enter prices inclusive of tax. This allows you to input the final price customers should see, without the need for them to calculate additional costs. Next, you want to decide how your prices are displayed. Scroll down to the part titled Display Prices in the shop. You'll see a couple of choices here. Choose to show prices including tax. This option ensures that every product in your shop displays its tax-inclusive price right from the start, keeping things simple for your customers. Equally important is how prices are shown on your cart and checkout pages. For a seamless experience, make sure to also select Show Prices Including Tax under the Cart and Checkout settings. With these settings, your customers won't encounter any surprises or hidden fees when they're ready to complete their purchase. The last step in this process is saving your changes. Without this, all the settings you've meticulously adjusted won't take effect. Look for the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page and give it a click. Once you've saved everything, your product prices will now be displayed with tax included, both in your shop and at checkout. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your WooCommerce settings to include tax in your product pricing, creating a more straightforward purchasing process for your customers. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave any questions you might have in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.